How to set time. Plug into outlet. AAA batteries back up your setting time when it is interrupted. Press hour button to set hour time. Minute button to set minute time. And press OK to confirm. How to change current time. Press set time button, display start flashing. Press hour button to set hour time. Press minute button to set minutes time. Press OK button to confirm. Press once projection button to turn on projection. Press again to flip projection image. Double press to turn off projection function. Rotate focus ring to adjust clarity of projection image. How to set alarm to wake to buzzer. Press alarm 1 button and display will start flashing. Buzzer indicator will turn on. Press hour or min to set time. For example, you can set 12:01. Press OK button to confirm alarm time. Press volume plus or volume minus to set volume. Default volume is 8. Press OK button to confirm alarm volume. How to set alarm to wake to radio. Radio is default. Double press alarm 1 button, display start flashing, music indicator will turn on. Press hour or minute to set time. For example, you can set 12:01. Press OK button to confirm alarm time. Press volume plus or volume minus to set volume. Default volume is 8. Press OK to confirm alarm volume. How to turn off alarm. Press snooze button to turn off alarm for 9 minutes. It will ring again after 9 minutes. Press alarm 1 off or alarm 2 off button to turn off alarm today. It will ring tomorrow. How to cancel alarm. Repeatedly press alarm 1 or alarm 2 until alarm indicator disappears from the display. How to operate AM/FM radio. Press once radio button, turn on FM radio. Press again to turn on AM radio. Press tune plus or tune minus to automatically scan radio channel. Repeatedly press tune plus or tune minus to manually scan radio channel. Hold press radio button to turn off AM or FM radio. Save and presetting your desired channel. Turn on AM or FM radio and find your preferred radio. Hold press set time button. Display flashes F01. Press minute or hour button to select sequence of channel F01, F02, F10. Press OK to save presetting channel. How to set sleep timer. Turn on AM or FM radio, press sleep time, display will show 90. Repeat sleep button to select your desired sleep time.